I have to do a glam makeup look on her while I'm being blindfolded.
Oh my god. It's kind of scary actually. My lips.
I'm sorry. I think the base is good. I hope it is. So next up is concealer.
Oh my god.
It's all about putting the concealer at the right spot and lifting it up.
Okay, that's better. I mean, oh my god, I'm gonna look like a clown.
I'm doing great.
Yeah. Really?
I'm sorry. I don't know what the I'm doing. But I'll actually let me do this maybe with my help.
Oh god. I'm really scared about the mascara.
I didn't even think of that.
This is my hair.
Good.
Ah, you're getting better.
Okay, okay. So this is the Caucasian brown.
Yes.
I don't know what I'm doing. Oh my god.
It's my ears.
Oh. I just wanted to put a little bit of blush.
Yeah, it's just a little bit. Totally. This is my eyebrows.
No, it's not. Doing a little smoky eye, you know.
Oh god.
Okay, let me do the under eye. Open your eye,
No.
please.
No. Okay, this is good.
Eyeliner time. Is this the eyeliner?
You're gonna put eyeliner on me?
Yeah.
Oh my god. Oh my god. No.
I need to give you like a beauty mark. I'm sure you look like Marilyn Monroe.
Okay, let's go for the lips. You know, I don't have that huge lips, right?
Okay, it's lipstick time. You're excited?
Nope. Okay, yes, this is good. This is the worst moment for me. Oh god.
I'm doing the eyebrows. Eyebrows on fleek. I'm giving you the bushy brow. Cara
Oh yeah,
Delevingne.
that's bushy for sure.
Okay, it's gloss time. My favorite part. Beautiful.
Yeah, I'm sure.
That's pretty much it.
Okay.
Okay, you guys, so I'm done. 1, 2, just scared. 3.
Really?
You look amazing.
Thank you.
You look beautiful.
What the is that?
Thank you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as we did. Bye.
Bye. Oh my god. Ah. God, really?